Good morning everyone, and in answer to your question there's Jubilee right there on that little tile. Now, we've got some exciting news to talk about, and it's all about the brand new gift with purchase that's going to be dropping alongside the highly anticipated Marvel X-Men X-Mansion set, which launches on the 1st of November. This gift with purchase is set number 5009015 with 153 pieces. It's the LEGO Marvel Cerebro set. You'll be able to get this set from November the 1st through to the 7th, as long as you're a LEGO insider and you purchase the X-Mansion in that allotted time. This set comes with a minifigure of Professor Xavier in his wheelchair and the iconic Cerebro console. Now, they also threw in this really cool transparent blue component showing Jubilee on the screen, which is a nice touch. Talking about the set itself, first off we have Professor X figure, which uses some pretty standard parts, and it feels like a missed opportunity to introduce some new prints or pieces for him. And we have Jubilee, who looks absolutely fantastic on the Cerebro screen, and I love seeing her here. Hopefully that means we're going to get an actual minifigure of her soon. But the weird thing is, she's clearly from the X-Men 97 series, not the movies, like the set description says. Do wish they had gone all out in the new design, like they did with the Lord of the Rings promos. Remember the Felbeast that came with Barad-dûr? They made new wing pieces. Meanwhile, this set kind of feels a bit more rushed than anything. If it could connect to the X-Mansion, or maybe be made part of a bigger expansion, that would make it a little bit more awesome. But I want to hear from you. What do you think about this little promo? Is it something that will push you to grab the X-Mansion on day one? Or are you just going to wait it out for a little bit until the price of the X-Mansion drops? As always, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a most wonderful day. Bye!